Magpapalit na pala kami ng car. Iyan ang ipapalit sa amin. Silver Equi. Now we're gonna go black. Black Equinox this time. So, hindi ko alam na papalitan na pala ito. Dapat matagal na kasi actually. Kasi more than the yung parang limit na ng miles. But then anyways, yeah, I'm not sure if we're gonna do it today. I didn't know if we were gonna change it today. Yung asawa ko hindi man lang nagsasabi. So, dumaan pala kami sa bahay. So, yeah. Nag-check, naglagay ng gamit, check ng mailbox. Kaayun. Nasa Alabama kami. Clanton, Alabama. So, eto. Ewan ko kung mag-change na kami ng car today. Pero yun. Black na naman. Yung una niya is white and then silver. And then sabi ko sa kanya, pili ka ng red. Pero eto, black. Hindi ko alam kung magpapalit na kami today. Eto na, guys.
Look at the green on the hood. Look at the black.
Yeah.
You can't see it on silver. You can't see it on white.
But
You really can't see it on silver.
the pollen. I don't know if you can see the pollen.
You gotta wash
on
the
our
black
hood.
car every day because it shows dirt so easy.
And we're gonna wash this. Nasa bagong car na po kami. It's the same Equinox. Chevrolet Equinox, but this time the color is black. So it's been with white and then silver, now switched to black. Good morning, everybody. Good morning po. It's a Good Friday today. Sa Holy Week pa rin tayo, pero parang wala pong Good Friday dito sa Amerika. Hindi uso yung mga nagpipinitensya. Ang daming nag-golf today. And it's already 9:39 na po ng umaga. Kanina pa ako gising. Actually, nagising ako mga 7. Tumawag si ate, nag-grocery kami. Yung chocolate kami, Divine Mercy. And then, nag-usap-usap konti. And then, nagmuni-muni kami ni asawa sa kama. Ayun na siya, nagtatrabaho on a Friday, Good Friday. Walang holiday. So, ayun. Hindi pa ako nakakapagkape. Eto, gumawa pala ako last night ng chicken cordon bleu. First time ko gumawa ng chicken cordon bleu. Nagpatulong ako sa sister ko. Ginawa ko siya last night. Gumawa ako ng isa. Mag-chicken cordon bleu tayo today. Gawa na naman ako ng isa. Tingnan natin. Sana successful ito. It's my first time, so I hope this one is successful. Tapos na pala akong magluto, guys, ng cordon bleu. Ang labas is parang embutido na cordon bleu. Embutido ala cordon bleu. Pero yan na lang ang naiwan. Kinain na ni husband. Yung isang buo. Ha?
2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up? Yung isa, binake ko. Hindi ko maintindihan. Sabi ng kapatid ko, dapat pinound ko pa siya. Dapat manipis pa siya. Charge to experience for first time. Yan na.
You need some honey mustard to dip this in.
Right, so yeah, that's why.
You got honey mustard. Next time you fix it, we'll get honey mustard.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Napagod ako, yun ang ginawa ko buong morning. Hindi ko naintindihan. Hindi pala madali yung cordon bleu. Parang ayoko nang gawin ulit. Tsaka yung pag-roll, ang hirap i-roll. Siguro pag sobrang nipis niya, okay lang. Pero ngayon, nahirapan ako mag-roll kanina. Yun nga, yung last na cordon bleu, na siya, parang na-open siya konti. Lumabas ako. Parang Pilipinas lang talaga. Though sobrang init lang sa Pilipinas ngayon. Like mainit. Though mainit sa labas, pero medyo, hindi naman siya malamig, pero mainit. Basta, ayan na yung mga golfer. Ganda, blue na blue. Semana Santa. Ayan. Gustuhan niya. Naubos na talaga. So, ewan ko. Nabusog na ako sa kakatikim-tikim. Okay. First time, gusto ko yung Cordon Bleu. Partner ng kapatid ko gumagawa ng Cordon Bleu. Masarap siyang gumawa ng Cordon Bleu. Yung akin, hindi ko alam. Naging imbutido. Ewan. Matutulog na lang ako. Itutulog ko na lang tong stress ko. See ya, everybody. Ganyan din ba mga asawa nyo, guys? He's cleaning up after my mess. Boy, don't throw that thing, huh?
Yeah, we don't need that.
No, I'm gonna use that. Pilipinang Pilipina. Ayaw ipatapon yung ano. Lalagyan niya ng ham.
Did you wash it?
I haven't washed it. Just put it there. Just wash it, clean it, and we can use it into something. Make it my lunchbox.
Yes, you already got a lunchbox.
We can put some stuff in here when we travel. Ayaw niya. Ayaw niya tingin. Sayang to.
That made the last. You won't hold up. That made the last. You won't hold up.
Ayan din ba mga asawa niyo? Cleaning up after your mess. Ako nagluluto. Siya yung tagalinis. Ayan. Nawalan ako ng gana, guys. Sorry na. Ngayon ang baby girl namin. Thank you. Gawa tayo popcorn. Ayan na. Dito masusunog. Di kagaya nung sa hotel. Perfect lang itong sa amin. 30 seconds left. Nandun pala, kanina pa kami ni asawa nandun sa labas. Ayun o. Yun ang ulo. Nakaupo, nagre-relax kami doon kasi ang ganda-ganda ng weather. Kaya ayun. Sa kwarto lang sana ako, nag-i-edit ako. Tinawag niya ako, sabi niya, let's go outside, let's enjoy the weather. Ang sarap ng weather, guys. Sarap ng weather. Tinikman lang. The weather's really good. Init. Ayan na. This is butter flavor. Bango. Popcorn?
Nothing.
Hello, hello. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita niyo ba ako. Ayan, dito na lang. Hello po. Hello. Good evening sa lahat. It's already 9:12 na po ng gabi. Yeah. So, nabisi kami sa pagbubuo ng cabinet. And then, nag-relax. Nanood pala kami ng movie. Nakalimutan ko yung title. It was Nicolas Cage movie. One of his movies, like old movies. It was some comedy movie. It was good actually. And then we had dinner. Video call ako sa family. And ayun. So I guess we're going fishing. We didn't go fishing today. He was actually supposed to go to fishing today, but I did not. I wasn't feeling like going out to go fish today. So, ayun. Sabi ko sa kanya, I'm not going to go fish with you. He can go if you want, but he didn't go. He went back to bed. So, anyways, I guess we're going fishing tomorrow. I'm not sure if they caught anything today. But yeah, nanonood yung asawa ko sa vlog. I guess that's it for today, guys. Maraming salamat po sa panunood. I hope nag-enjoy po kayo ang aming Good Friday. So, ayan. Wala masyadong ganap dito sa US about the Lenten season. Maybe some religion, but mostly wala. Easter, it's gonna be my first Easter here, so ayun. Ang daming Easter bunnies sa Walmart na mga chocolates, ganyan. So, thank you so much again, everybody, for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please visit my other videos as well. And please don't forget to click the like button and paki-share na lang po din ng videos natin. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And please click the bell button para po ma-notify kayo on my next videos. Maraming salamat po once again. And I hope to see you in my next vlog. Good night, everybody. And I hope everyone had a good Friday. See ya!